Hello everybody, this is Lisa and Timothy with the Home Hunters, and we are back again today to show you 2 more properties. Now, before we get started, I do want to ask everybody to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can stay tuned for more videos in the future if you subscribe. It really helps us out when you like the videos. Really appreciate it. Now, for the first house, listed at $100,000, and it's in Red Bay, Alabama. It's on 314 2nd Avenue Northeast, and has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 1,232 square feet. It's on half an acre of land, and it was built in 1940. It's been on the market for 12 days now. It's pretty fresh on the market. You can see it already that it has a metal roof, and it does have a 1-car carport out here with some pillars.
I like the way it looks.
I like the way it looks too.
Black and white.
Yeah. Has a nice big driveway here too. Some bushes in the front.
Yeah. I like the door where you can just go straight in from your car.
Yeah, me too, yeah. Here's the backyard area. It does have a pretty large back deck, covered deck.
That is nice.
Yeah, it is nice, yeah.
That would look even prettier if you switched it over to the vinyl railing to match the rest of the house.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look nice?
Yeah, some white railing, that'd be nice, yeah.
That would look really pretty.
It would look nice. Here's the main living area here. It's like it has some Berber carpeting in here. This is the master bedroom right here. The bathroom is right around that way, on the left side over there.
Weird place for an overhead light.
Yeah. Here's a second bedroom. Has brown colored paneling in here, maybe like kind of like a light brown color.
Yeah, it's kind of like a tan, isn't it?
It's like a tan, yeah. Beigey. The wall color is one thing that helped me distinguish the rooms from each other. Master bedroom is white, and then the second bedroom is the tan, and then the third bedroom here is blue.
Kind of a gray blue, isn't it?
Yep, it is, yeah.
Almost pewter looking.
It does have laminate flooring in this bedroom.
That's a nice bedroom. I like it.
Yeah, it looks like they changed out the carpeting for the laminate flooring sometime in this bedroom.
Yeah.
Pretty good sized room, too. This is the carport area here. Looks almost like the front of the house, doesn't it?
It does. It does.
Carport right there, and the front of the house is on that side over there. Another photo of the living area. And these, I'm not sure if they're on the property. I'm guessing they are if they're showing a picture of them. Looks like a 2-car garage to me. I think these pillars are of the carport area. The kitchen here, space for your refrigerator right there. Has some nice white cabinets in here. Double windows over the sink. Living area. This is the bathroom. It does have 1 bathroom. It's pretty good
nice
size.
Bathroom.
Yeah, nice tile in here.
Yeah, it's very updated. I like the vanity. It's really pretty. And the toilet looks pretty new also. I like the window too. Let's light in.
It does. And there's the back deck area. Yeah, I didn't notice that on the photo earlier.
I love the swing.
Nice hanging swing here on the back deck area. Very nice. There's a tiki torch here too.
Yeah. I'd like some trees out there to give some shade.
Yeah, I know what you mean, yeah. This is the master bedroom here again. We'll see another angle of it pretty soon. Another angle of the bathroom. It does have a walk-in shower here. I don't know if it has a tub or not. I'm guessing no, based on what we've seen.
Yeah, it doesn't look like there's enough room for a tub, does it?
Yeah, it doesn't look like it to me.
Most people don't take a bath anymore.
Yeah.
Some people do.
It depends,
I think the majority of people don't.
Yeah.
That's what I hear. I think it's just easier to take a shower because it's hard to get in and out of the bathtub.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. This is another angle of the master bedroom here. I'm assuming this is the master bedroom. I mean, that one with a laminate flooring could have been the master bedroom too because it was really large.
Yeah. I like how big that kitchen is, though.
It's nice.
It's big and open.
Has an area for a dining nook here too.
I like the cabinets.
Yeah, me too, yeah. Okay, let's see who the listing agent is now. Listed by Ellis Wooten, phone number 256 460-0598 with Brickdriven Realty. That's a funny name for a brokerage. Brickdriven. That's funny. Okay, so the overhead view is here. House is over on the right side of the screen, and we have Big Star, a grocery store not too far away, an Exxon, a museum, a park, Bay Tree Park, and there's a Subway not too far away. There's a McDonald's too. We've got a lot of stuff in here. A Dollar General Market also. Now we can look at the street view here.
There's a swing on the front porch too.
There's a hanging swing on the front porch also. That's really nice. I wonder why they didn't show the front porch better.
I don't know. Zoom in on
We can see it here. That's a good thing, you know. This was taken in April of 2024, so not too old. There's the front porch. Nice close up there. Looks like you have some spaces here in between you and the neighbors. Big driveway. Across the street from you, there's a neighbor here with some trees, and they do have an empty lot next to them. That might be their land, possibly. It's a nice looking area. That's we can see those 2-car garages back there better too. I'm guessing they come with the property. Looks like it's in the property boundaries to me.
Yeah, it has to be.
Yeah. Okay, now we can move on to the second property today, which is in Jefferson, Iowa.
This one is 82.5, and it's on 2-bedroom. It's on 2 bedrooms. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, 696 square feet, and it was built in 1900, 8,700 square foot lot, and it's been on the market for 33 days.
Okay, let's look at the photos of this one. Got some trees next to it here. A little walkway leading up and around the side too.
I love this big lot.
It's on a corner lot. Yeah, it's pretty large actually. Yeah.
Look at these big trees. Oh
Yep.
yeah.
It's nice trees. They look really nice in the spring and summertime.
And the fall too.
Fall too, yeah. It's like they have a fire pit out here. There's a back door over there.
Pretty big porch. Is that a porch? Or that's a screen then? What is that?
I'm trying to figure it out. I saw this earlier too, but I'm guessing it's an enclosed porch.
It's nice.
Enclosed, yeah. It's almost like an interior room, almost.
Yeah.
Yep, it's an enclosed porch. Here's the main living area and dining room. It looks a lot bigger than 700 square feet here, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Laminate flooring in here, some nice trim around the windows. It's the dining room, I'm guessing, here. Nice dining area.
It is.
Here's the first bedroom. Carpet in here. Looks like newer carpeting. Nice baseboards, too.
Weird door. See that door? Looks like they chopped it off at the bottom or something. Or am I just seeing weird
let's take
things?
a look right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm guessing. I think it's a short door, and because it's a closet door. And what they did, I think they may have cut the door to make it shorter. So it's a pretty short door. It should be like up to here or something with the trim, you know, you'd think.
Yeah. I just always notice weird stuff like that.
Yeah. Here's one of the closets.
I was wondering what this was.
Yeah, I think this is a closet for that bedroom we saw. It's the same paint color and the carpeting is the same too. That's just my guess. That is the closet for that bedroom.
Yeah.
Pretty large closet. Okay, I think this is the second bedroom here. It does have same carpeting and paint color in here too.
That's a tiny little bedroom.
I
don't call that a bedroom.
Yeah.
Is that the same room?
No, this is a different room, I believe. Based on
there's
the
the short
closet
door.
positioning. That's another short door, isn't it? Unless the bedrooms are connected. But I think that would be the closet door, right? Guessing that's a closet door.
I really can't tell.
Short though. Look, see, that's the size of a standard door right there for comparison.
I've never seen anything like that before. I just
funny,
don't know what to say.
There's a bathroom here, shower tub combo.
We see such unusual things in these homes.
We do, yeah. We look at a lot of them, so that's probably why we occasionally run into something really funky. It's like it's either vinyl or tile in here. Probably vinyl, by the way it looks. My guess.
Looks like linoleum.
Toilet here. Yeah, linoleum, yeah.
A corner toilet?
Corner toilet, yep. Timeout toilet.
Yep. Timeout toilet. Where's the kitchen? I like it has 2 windows in there.
That is nice, yeah. Brown cabinets on the bottom and a white on the top. Got lots of storage in here. Look at all those drawers.
Yeah, that is a lot of drawers.
Electric stove.
Where's our refrigerator?
I don't see it. Okay, let's go back and see if we can see where the refrigerator would go.
They don't eat.
I don't know.
Maybe it's
here?
Yeah.
Right there, yeah. Possibly. Window, yeah. There's a plug right there.
It's gonna block some of your cabinet space, though.
Yeah, it would block a couple cabinets over here. Yeah. That's kind of weird. Huh. This next picture here is in the basement. Washer and dryer is down here. Side by side here.
You gotta go down to the creepy basement to do your laundry.
That's right, yep. Breaker box. Okay, let's see who listed it now. Courtney Hamilton. Phone number is 515-370-4694 with Remax Legacy. Now, there is a grocery store just to the west of the property. Hy-Vee grocery store. Looks like a pretty big store to me based on the photo.
Kind of reminds me of a Brookshire's.
It does kind of look like one, yeah. Some other stores around here too. A department store here. Bomb jars. Never heard of it. But it's a department store right there. Iowa Deer Treats. Outdoor sports store right there.
There's a doctor's office down below Central Iowa. Family Eye Care.
Yeah. There's some
Subway down to
the bell tower. Look, historical place.
Oh wow, yeah.
Subway.
Yeah.
Lots of stuff here in Jefferson. Want to see where it is in relation to everything else around there. Grand Junction is not too far away. Boone is to the east. Des Moines is southeast of the town. Now for the street view.
I love those trees. Those are beautiful.
Very nice trees, yeah.
I'd want them on the other side too. Between you and that other house.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be nice?
That would be nice to have some privacy there.
Yeah.
Okay, and the parking area would be right here.
And we noticed that the neighborhood is really pretty. It's if you go down the other direction, there's a church and it has a playground and everything. It's beautiful.
Let's go down there real quick. Not too far away from the house, we have this area here.
It's
like a park-like area. That's a church back there, and they have this area here with a seating area, and they have a playground. Nice yard,
really nice.
Trees too. Very nice. And this footage right here was taken in June of 2025, so that's recent.
Very nice.
Yep.
And you've got these newer townhouses here too.
Nice landscaping out here. Yeah, it's a nice area, really.
Sidewalks.
Yeah. And we go back to 2021 for this footage here. See the side of the house. There's the backyard area. Big tree out there. I wonder if that's still there.
That big tree?
Yeah. It's a very nice area. Nice houses around. And you have the church nearby. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching the video. Remember to stay tuned for more videos in the future and like and subscribe to the channel. And we will see you in the next one. And also remember, your new home could be in the next video. Have a nice day.